Hey, here, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I got my man James, Fridge 48 here, fresh out of the shop. James is all the way over in California. I'm about to put this bad boy on a pallet, ship it over there to him, but I wanted y'all to check it out before we did that. So this is our Fridge 48, guys. By far, the Fridge 48 is our most popular smoker, and it's pretty obvious to tell why. So let's check James' rig out here. Start off with a smoke chamber here, guys. This is a reverse flow smoker. I said it's a Fridge 48, so 48 inches wide. You get 3 sliding trays in all of our fridge models. Removable reverse flow plates down here, so they lift up out of there. Makes it easy to clean out the bottom of your smoker. He did opt for a stainless steel front shelf here. Not only stainless steel, but also folding. Pop up on that, folds down. Lock it up. Still got your paper towel utensil holder down there as well. Come around to the Hotbox here now, guys. This is our 30-inch Hotbox. Y'all know the deal. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 grams of cook space, guys. That's because we live in America. So you got that. What's real nice about our Hotbox, guys, it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. It's gonna be cooking at 2 different temperatures in here. Makes it super versatile. We got people doing wood-fired pieces in here. Great for chicken and ribs. Throw your sides in there. Check out the firebox here. This is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel. He does have a fire management cradle in there as well. You step around the front and back of this smoker. Hey, James is shelved up. That's what I like to say. He is shelved up. He's got a front folding shelf, so obviously folds up, and a big old rear folding shelf on this fridge. So he's got 360 degrees of shelves on this bad boy. That's what we like to see. You're never going to complain about having too much storage space, guys. So that is James's fridge. Like I said, I'm about to pallet it up, ship it out there to him. But guys, all we're doing now is waiting on y'all. If you need a custom pit built like this, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.